brand fell son or see a cassie bear my home of Fabre. In fact, no more for papa. What is my first born couldn't more for ye papa. Ah, or fit takra the nenso, and then my mesha or shen papa and papa or shen papenti. What could pay more brooch, mema, or bonny brain company cassia, a more juma, ewa broche, a US, just a bread hot on. Now to some hot on so any jack a crown tea. One of the wafat no say any birthday no a fibiano. Or Sunny Bagana, ebe di birthday no, a share a radian union, a friend and now for 4 near dear a shiamo, Eddie birthday nankasa na birthday with the 4 and twata, Yenya be me at 12 and I say, ama ne kra akondinya me sama sabre de onka atiase phone say na kobaye na one ne nafofo ehia ya topono utumi sa ponto no sika wo papa na nsan cheers ni ade na nsan no mu na party over na obi akọ ne fie no bread ni meye fe na Albert Quinton time wato na nanom ewon siedo na hwehwemu kire mu se ensa na ye cheers no na danfo ba ko e de bi poison ewura ne kokoro motimu e pia gu ni nsam se hwiama wonom ya sabre de waje ne nkwa efiri nsam a abrante efefefe Albert ne kwa ayenya dia ye hwa dansefo e pia mu ho emra
me call takrade for obota wa yi no
yes
me call ye the kokosi wo manim me kokoto that day you know there was a young 34-year-old guy near ye or takrade okwa disco. In Takrade, we are a young Christian, one of the popular schools in Takrade, no about disco. We are disco, I think, Oko US. Wa since we are Massachusetts Stock Exchange.
Okay.
Into Massachusetts, or you Stock Exchange. Ne 34th birthday, and or catch them. I mean, so US apparently. And or crom so about Ghana. Eba be the birthday no Ghana. Who nam for 4 near the ache ne meet. I'm into a bar here no. And I think the Waji apartment be Takrade. They had an in-house party. But before the party, we call one of the hotels, I think Rebo or so, the
general one.
On the number when you share the last video, cry, wama drinker, cheers to my friend, to my brother from another mother, to my blood, to it only omakasa kama. Oman, free on omoko apartment ho. Say omoko drink up na. Inti yase drink up na si oman ena ne ho enshada anya ne fine. Ena owura dem say okwa dakakra. Oman unim say after bed 2-3 hours omubowura dem no da ho anano foam o foam wewu. And this is a party nipa 13 or no one friends 13 no ato nsafre omo. No other person was there. Nipa 13 or no the people he call friends so and we free abrochra bagan ebe the birthday wato nsafre mo se momra masa wewu ofomi poison 34 years Massachusetts Stock Exchange in the woka in sanomni ahwe yeah ne ma military boom
we don't have to describe what the man is feeling
military boom I'm telling you
but mama careful emabru na ya bana ya kahwe ya si yentie no you know now for some dodo na no emwa ya kan bia mfuzi e time atwam no my military boom me say me call pa me tie now when say e ba sa ni ntino ne namfofo no omu wi a disco kra ne ade e call yie na se no na omo ye contribution kakra pese omo de kokoma maame no ne wo fa pam omo so be of course
damfo bi akra
of course Charlie of course na ni party akọ end apply this am 20 me pede o unfortunately innocent ones no doors just ba ku bi no ni bros ahoya o say
yeah I was looking for the last
and this is happening no say obi ye nyina ye tie nyina ye ni anan ho so na nyame hu ye mobo amahwe ye anya part of us
yes
I'm telling you and your man boni for no say edidua nipa mu at every point in time second people are assigned on daily basis to destroy, to defame, to character assassinate, to blackmail, and to adansi krumuni and your baby na koso. And we are standing daka. That's why me can be out here. Me say. So what the trade you know say you understand the time that you find yourself in. Donyamia hu bobro ebe kese also. Now one kasansu nipa no is key. One kasansu nipa no. Yeah,
show. The last video, didn't into where
Look at this.
the nam for na no ni omote a hotel. And the guy,
Look at this.
very, very handsome young man, 34 years.
My befi embranya meji
Charlie.
my bre minimum the bre unyame ahira me.
Charlie.
Ja nipa de mo pere se monsaka. Sasa.
And I hear the police for inviting Nipa to take your statement about how to even identify the person who did it. Is another thing.
Ishmael do offer me. The last time I checked, Marf know they play football.
Oh, Charlie. It's terrible. Inti mesremo se wutie ya ahweye na there was a especially in these times ye bedi bronya bebrena be drink cups any ade insano se wo nom na bibi ni o sorry eja we no wo ho a o sorry na se uja wonsa wo ho a tobo na oba mensan enum bio because unim ni patrimu asem in the ahweye ni nyina yenye isi akra na obi asende me ne biography the Albert Kwao Adiaba 3rd of August 1989 ye wo no Axim ne papa ye Mr. Pierre Adiaba ne maame Madame Helena Frempong. Yeah. Oh, it's terrible. The parents traveled to the US ononso area school joining omo US. It's quite an interesting biography and oko US. He attended Georgia Gwinnett College and a Gwinnett Technical College, US, already computer science. And upon completion, he worked as an IT analyst with NCR Corporation and Meridian Cooperative as a business analyst. Until his demise, he worked with Hanover, RE, as a senior business analyst. Wow. And as we speak, as I said, our Massachusetts Stock Exchange, it's a terrible loss to the family. I mean, 34 years, Waba Ghana, ebe celebrating a birthday. Charlie. In the Mestremo, especially Mebununa, Mope drink cups, baby beno, munye extra careful. And Sanu Refi, now sorry, call bar, men sign emenom. Extra careful. Yes, Remunina, Ian recorded some of these terrible stories.
Queen Varsity Foundation, a summer Cindy Medi Ebro Macro.